Hey there, coffee lovers! Today, I'm going to guide you through the art of brewing the perfect cup of coffee. Get ready to awaken your senses and indulge in the rich flavors of this caffeinated delight. Let's dive right in. Gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need freshly roasted coffee beans, filtered water, a grinder, a coffee maker, or alternative brewing method, a scale optional, and your favorite mug. Measure the coffee beans. Use a scale to measure the desired amount of coffee beans for your preferred strength. A general rule of thumb is around 1 to 2 tablespoons of coffee per 6 ounces of water. Heat the water. Fill your kettle or pot with filtered water and heat it to the recommended temperature. For your specific coffee type, around 195 to 205 F 90 to 96 C is typically ideal. Add the ground coffee to your brewing equipment. Place the freshly ground coffee into the filter or brewing chamber, ensuring an even distribution. Begin the brewing process. Slowly pour the heated water over the coffee grounds, allowing it to extract the flavors. Follow the specific instructions for your chosen brewing method, such as stirring or blooming the grounds. Brew time. Let the coffee brew for the recommended time. Typically around 4 to 6 minutes for most brewing methods. Use this time to savor the aroma that fills the air. Complete the brewing process. Once the brewing time is complete, carefully remove the filter or stop the brewing process, according to your equipment's instructions. Pour and enjoy with great anticipation. Pour the freshly brewed coffee into your favorite mug. Take a moment to appreciate the aroma and indulge in the first sip of your meticulously crafted coffee. And there you have it, the step-by-step guide to making a delicious cup of coffee. Experiment with different beans, brewing methods, and ratios to find your perfect cup. Start your day right or enjoy a well-deserved break with a homemade brew that will awaken your senses and energize your day. Stay caffeinated and keep enjoying the wonderful world of coffee. Cheers!